Hi folks, Mike Field-Dodgson speaking, generally called Mike FD for obvious reasons. My website is mfielddodgson.com and I'm here today to show you around Explaindio Elements, video creation software app. Andrew Darius, who produced this app, calls it an easier video creator that makes eye-catching, spectacular videos that attract attention and convert visitors into buyers in 3 simple steps. He refers to easier because he made a fully blind, beefed up, all bells and whistles video creation up about a year ago. But he thought, a lot of people might find this technically demanding, and so and not use a lot of the options. So he thought, well, I'll develop something simpler, where no techie stuff is involved, and it's a lot simpler, but it still has the core values of producing what a video software needs to produce. And so he basically looks at 3 simple steps in this process, where you select a template and you swipe that into position. You customize the hotspots with text, images or videos, those provided with this product or your own, and then you generate the video. I guess in a nutshell, what this Explaindio Elements is all about is you're shown how to create videos that bring more viewers, generate more leads, and make more sales by simply swiping with your mouse. You can generate social videos, promo videos, even sales videos. All scene templates are already done for you, so you don't need any video creation experience at all. Just select Done For You Scene Template, customize it, and it's done. You get 200 ready-made scene templates and 500 doodle sketch images, which allow you to make all kinds of videos. With Explaindio Elements, you no longer need a special video tool to create a video or spend hundreds of dollars for specialty software that may take days to figure out and how to use. So, as I said, Explaindio has been designed so that no technical skills are required. So if this sort of interests you, then stick around, because we'll show you through the product, and I've got some really good bonuses as well. And I've crafted these bonuses around Explaindio because Explaindio is just a video making machine. So really, to develop a business from this, you need traffic, and you need to know how to make money from it. So that's the focus of these videos, to help you develop this. And the first one is a method of getting traffic, which is very good, because you need traffic these days. And then the next one is again a good way to get traffic to your site. So the more traffic you get, the more chance you've got of making money. And to balance that, there's also on our third bonus is a way to make money using CPA, which is cost per action method. And you look into that, you'll see that it's quite exciting, really, what you can do with it. It's not hugely difficult, and it is a good money-making scheme. Now, Andrew also has bonuses, which he's sorted out. There are 7, I think. The first one is a web builder desktop app, so that it'll allow you to easily build video websites. The second bonus is a 2D animation studio, so it creates film quality animations, so you don't have to have frame-by-frame sequences. The third one is a compositor. Now this is where you want to shift elements of one image into another. For example, you may have a mountainous scene with a river flowing through it, and you transfer some soldiers or trampers or people into that image. This is what this compositor does. I initially thought it was compost, but there's an I there. There's also a community involved with that bonus. The next one is a screen maker, and they're very good because it means that you can write on top of most desktop software like web pages, games, and presentations. A very handy thing to have, actually. Have on site, have them on spot. Then there's a SE video editor. Again, you don't have to go outside to edit your videos. This hardware software will certainly do it for you. Again, very handy to have it on site. Bonus 6 is a clever piece of software where you can stitch images together to produce a panorama. You can see the picture there where two photographs have been moulded together to produce a panorama. Very, very clever stuff. And the 7th video is an audio recording and editing software. So you get a complete package with the video editing software further up the page. So those are his bonuses and mine. I mean, to get my bonuses, all you have to do is click on the click on where it says secure a copy, and away you go. Now the sales page is here, and it's a pretty extensive sales page. It highlights what this thing can do. Includes lifetime updates, create unlimited videos, 3-step processes I mentioned. You can create videos and charge people for them. Downloadable software, one-time pricing, and then the pre-made templates, the doodle sketches, and the animations that I mentioned earlier as well. He also goes through how this thing can operate in the commercial environment. Yeah, one of the things that I think is great with stuff like this is that you can become independent. You can make your own videos, which is a big boost because proper video creation is expensive. If you look around the net, and so this sort of creates an independency, which I think is extremely valuable, and it simplifies the whole process as well. You don't need any technical experience with this, which is an added value. There's a very cool demo where he goes through very quickly the 4 types of videos that can be made using Explaindio Elements. And there's this three-step pattern. Select a scene template or doodle canvas, customize with your own text, image and video, and then generate the video. As a bonus, there's a commercial license included with this, so you can make videos for people and sell them, and that is a lucrative proposition too, because videos are quite expensive. And these are the various types of videos that can be produced. Hollywood, creative kinetic typography, that's a good one. Animated scenes, eye-catching logo, designs, parallax videos, black and white doodle sketches, and colour doodle sketches as well. So it's a complete package, and it comes, as he says, comes with everything you need and tons of extras. and there's a special limited time bonus for the early birds. So here's what you get in a summary. Explaindio Elements, commercial license, 200 pre-unseen templates, 500 doodle sketches, 100 full HD background videos, 180 plus text animations, 300 font, create unlimited number of videos, export unlimited videos, use or sell to clients and keep 100% of the profits. And that deal at the moment, when it goes on stream, is $27, one-time pricing, which is pretty remarkable. Then there's some FAQs to answer some people's questions. So what I'll do very quickly is I'll show you a demo. I'm not going to go through the whole thing because he's got quite an extensive tutorial set in the members area, which I'll show you after this, and it goes through. There's 13 of them, so it's pretty complete. So just explain very quickly. This is where your account is. That's support. Deactivate the license if you want to transfer operations from one computer to another, or to your laptop or whatever. Then you can deactivate the license on this one and transfer it over and start working on the other, which is quite a nifty way to do things. Depending on the upsell that you buy, there's royalty-free footage and royalty-free images, and there are quite a few languages which you can use with your videos. In the settings, you need to put your username and password, and there are the two keys for Pixabay and Pixels, and there's a tutorial on that in the members area. So we create a project, and I'll call it something really original like test, and create. You need to add a scene before you start, and there's this way to add text. This is adding sketch images, bitmap images, videos, and animation slide stuff. So I'll do a sketch just to show you how things go. Load up. And there's quite a few things here. Angry employees is a bit of a strange one. Like arrows for use in your work, banners, business professionals, sort of various pictures for that, and then there are character sets, which are various pictures of various people in various positions and stages. But we'll try basketball player, I think. So we load basketball player, and this is the hotspot that I mentioned earlier. And so you can go in here and sketch by hand. So nothing sketch by hand, uncover from side, uncover from center. So you can move it around when it first comes on. So we'll put sketch. Now the sketching, the higher the number, the slower. So in my opinion, you want to make it a bit slower to make it sort of realistic. Hide action there. Do nothing, fade out, fly out by hand, erase by hand. So those are the options there. You can move it wherever you want. You can make it bigger. And say you want to add some text. So get some text. What will I put? A great basketball play. You can see I'm no typist. And OK. And then if you want to, you can go back in here and this will with sketching as well. So you go down, sketch by hand, and again, I think make it relatively slow. You can change the font style. We'll make it a bit bigger, I think. Make it to no, I'll go up to 70, I think. What are we doing? Wake up, Michael. Okay, some slightly bigger, and then place it down here. Now up here to the left we've got the layers. So that's the image layer and that's the text layer, and you can swap those around. You can see you can swap those if you want them first or second. And here we have the delay. Now if you have them the same, you'll have two pens and two arms writing on the thing. So you really want to have, say, this one about, I'd say, I don't know, 160, and we'll see how that goes. So we'll click. And that was a bit strange. Usually the pen shows up, but as you can see, if you put delay in there, then you get one and then the other, and it's not so confusing. So there's a save it to this, or save it where you want somewhere on your desktop. This is the audio, voice or music. This is the preview. This is the large preview of the size. I don't know why the pen isn't shown. It usually does. Anyway, so that's creating the video. I don't know why that's there. It's to buy the product. I think you've already bought it. Anyway, so that's a very brief view of what this can do. Okay. Now, when you first start, you'll be shown the members area, and here's the email I got from them. You get the URL, username, password, and then the tutorial URL, which is this here. And as you can see, there's how to get started, how to create, save and open, how to add and edit text, how to add sketch images, add bitmap image. That requires the agency upsell. I'll show you that in a minute. How to add and edit images, edit videos, how to add and edit animation slides, how to add effects and custom animation, how to customize asset layers, edit layers, and sync effects. So it's quite a powerful thing, isn't it? How to add scene background, how to add audio, how to preview and export video, and there's the tutorial on how to get your API keys as well. So that's quite a complete and full training system to get you up and running, especially when it's it's not that difficult and not that techy either. So I just quickly, I know that I don't want to have this video going too long. We'll go and have a look at the prices and upsells. So the front end is Explaindio Elements, which is the commercial version, and then you have the Explaindio Elements agency, and this allows you to use the offline, the external images and videos. Then there's the upsell 2, which is the Elements Club, and this there's quite a lot in the club. For example, it with this where I wrote it down somewhere. With the standard version, you get 200 doodles, 500 background videos, and 100 animated videos. Well, with this, you're getting access to 20,000 doodles, 4,000 background videos, and 4,000 animated videos. So it's quite a boost. So if you and it's quite a chunky upsell actually. You're getting into some of his personal stuff, and then you're getting Explaindio Elements footage, which makes sales copy. The transitions pack. Now, transitions are the things when you have maybe videos in a video, or when you have images linked, static images linked, and this is the process that from one to the other. So there are various ways to do that, and it really adds professionalism to your videos. It has a significant effect. There's the 500 character pack, and the video players for marketers, which is a extra version for you. Okay, so that's the upsells. I think upsell one and two. I'll definitely go for upsell one because it gives you a greater number of videos and images to look at, a greater range. And I think the transitions might be a handy one as well. So it adds a bit of professionalism to your... But anyway, when you get in there, you'll see these upsells shown to you. And let's face it, you can always buy just the $37 because these upsells will always be there if you need them. Okay. And so just to remind you of the bonuses that I've put together for you. The traffic bonus, and the other method for getting traffic. So I've given you two ways of getting traffic to your videos, which is vital for any business on the line, and one to make money. And that's what it's all about, isn't it? So all I can say is be good, have fun, and if you're looking for my videos, just click on the these areas here. It'll take you through to the sales page, and away you go. Thanks very much.